Understanding drone altitude limits. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines technology, safety, and regulations. We're talking about drone altitude limits. Whether you're a drone enthusiast, a budding pilot, or simply curious about the rules that govern our skies, this video will shed light on why these limits are important and how they affect drone operations. Let's get started. Drone altitude limits refer to the maximum height above ground level at which drones are legally allowed to fly. These limits are set by aviation authorities around the world to ensure safety for both manned aircraft and the drones themselves. The standard limit in many countries is 400 feet, about 120 meters. But this can vary based on the region and the specific circumstances under which you're flying your drone. Safety is the primary concern behind setting drone altitude limits. Flying above the designated altitude could pose a risk to manned aircraft, as it increases the likelihood of collisions. Additionally, higher altitudes may interfere with air traffic control and compromise the safety of both drone and manned aircraft operations. By adhering to these limits, drone pilots contribute to the overall safety and harmony of airspace usage. While the general rule is to keep your drone below the altitude limit, there are exceptions. Some regions allow for higher flights if the drone pilot obtains special permissions from the aviation authority. This process usually involves demonstrating that the flight can be conducted safely without interfering with other airspace users. Always check the local regulations and obtain the necessary permissions before attempting to fly your drone above the standard altitude limit. Staying within drone altitude limits is crucial for safe and legal operation. Here are a few tips. Use a drone with an altitude limiter to automatically prevent it from exceeding the maximum height. Familiarize yourself with local regulations as these can vary from one place to another. Plan your flight path in advance, taking note of any potential obstacles or restricted areas. Understanding and respecting drone altitude limits is essential for every drone pilot. It ensures not only the safety of your operations but also protects the integrity of the airspace and the safety of others. We hope this video has been informative and helps you fly safely and responsibly. Remember, flying a drone is not just about capturing breathtaking views, it's also about being aware of and respecting the rules that ensure safety for everyone. Happy flying, and see you in the next video.